Apparently I lost you at some point, but we're back. Hopefully this isn't many short videos on YouTube. That's gonna be crazy. But yeah, just getting a bumper. That'll be another video. I don't know how I'm gonna record that, but picked up a car dolly with the old man the other day. Well, he wanted to drive home. He went and picked the truck up to tow it home. Anyway, it's a fire hydrant. The tire there stopped it. Put it in reverse, yanked that bumper out even more. I already did a little custom work there, cutting it to fit these bad boys on there because the bumper was already damaged. But I don't know how many times I've said but. That's it for this. Sorry for the shaky video. Oh, you know what? We'll start her up for you. We did already be sure that the engine bay was clear of anything that might damage it, but we're gonna go for a short trip up and down the road, and maybe my bro will ride along and record. Probably not. Wanted him to record this whole thing, but he'd rather play video games. That's it. Gotta top off my brake fluid there. That'll be a project. Gotta replace the brake drum. I'm not sure what that's called. It's not a drum. Whatever. It's rotten out. Needs to be replaced. I think that's where I'm losing my fluid, because that was full. We're not that bad off yet. This will be before that. I gotta replace this whole line. Yeah, so we'll get that line replaced before the brake thing. And at some point we're putting a BBK on this bad boy. Oh, something I didn't show. I replaced the gets loud down here. Transmission pan, painted the new one red. Old one was leaking. This one's leaking. I don't know what's up with that. We'll figure it out. Transmission shifts. Everything's good though, so I don't know. We'll see. Oh,